Hey, welcome back to another video of how to use basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to recover your wallet in Green Crypto account. First of all, find and open Green Crypto application on your device. Now, go to the wallet section. Here you can find set up a new wallet button at the bottom of your screen. Click on it and agree the terms and services and click on Get Started button. Here, select on this device option and click on Restore Wallet button. After that, you need to enter your 12-digit or 24 or 27-digit recovery phrase. After typing in your recovery phrase, click on Continue button. Now, you need to set up a PIN for your account. Now verify the PIN again, typing the same PIN. After that, click on Continue button. It may take some time to restore your wallet. So that is how you can recover your wallet in Green Crypto wallet. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.